Whoa, it's a heavy one. Oh my God. We are unboxing part 1 of my C10 order. Okay, we are here unboxing my part 1 of C10. I just got my C9 order like yesterday or 2 days ago, and here we are unboxing C10 part 1 because there's some really exciting things coming up. And yes, it is a new Skin So Soft bath oil bottle, and I have that here. So I'm gonna try and zip through this. Okay, let's get ready. Starting with fashion, it is the 2-piece tropical mist set. So that is that one right there. So yeah, love those colors, right? So cool. Bubble bath is on sale. The stuff from last summer. So this is the Aquatic Breeze. We've got 3 of those. So on sale for $9.99. And 3 of the Caramel Soul. Same price. These are the only 2 that are left, so hurry up. These are the normal, or yeah, the original Skin So Soft bath oil bonus size. You can get those from your rep for $29.99 for a limited time, or they're in the brochure for $40.50. Now, this is a great set. Father's Day is coming up soon. You've got the Mesmerize Aqua, Mesmerize, and the Mesmerize deodorant for like $52, $53. Really good deal because the Mesmerize Aqua on its own is $40.50. So definitely a good Father's Day present is Avon fragrance. Perfect for fathers, perfect for husbands, significant others. What is this? True Devotion Liquid Blush. Cashmere Under Eye Primer. FMG Glimmer Lip Gloss. I don't think I've tried this before. And this is in butter rum. Okay. Huh. And 3 liners. So we have 2 eyeliner and a brow define pencil. Some jewelry. We've got the Charm Medley Link bracelet. And a couple Beyond Glow products. We've got the Beyond Glow Centella Cooling Toner and the Beyond Glow Facial Cleanser with salicylic and citric acids. The Moisture Therapy Intense Healing and Repair Cream for extra dry skin. Extra dry skin people, just saying, reach out. And now, the moment we've all been waiting for. I will reveal the new Skin So Soft packaging. It is a vintage packaging that we're dropping in C11. Oh my gosh, you have it already? It's only C10. That's right, I put in my C10 order super early. I did it for a customer, but I also did it so I can experience this amazing packaging. So how cool is that? Oh, and the lighting isn't great, so I'll shoot some more videos of this. I'll make a few shorts, so check those out. But yes, I've got the bonus size. It looks small. Anyway, the bonus size and the original, 2 of those little minis. And check this out. Skin So Soft, Soft and Sensual Biophase Oil Mist. So this is brand new. And yes, I actually have 2 of those. And last but not least, the hand cream are also available in this amazing vintage packaging. So how cool is that? Right? Definitely drop a comment. What do you think of the new Skin So Soft vintage packaging? Okay, and if you like these unboxing videos, definitely subscribe to my channel. Okay, cheers.